Yankom Rashe Bejafia Muna speaker na Kasee Yora Bansumana Kingsford Babin or can Nassim Yinejina says de Rashe Bejafo Suno on Banya Wadan di will fear Honomono Yamian and a bonyo socra one more manti ama said and Kawas walking on here wadi and Yasan Huno Casiano Ediachi.
Emrashebe feature me Alban Sumana Kingsford Bagbin and neighbor for panning in an say, Emrashebe for and yet they say one more ebe fiho abebuama unuma wonu idiot to me akoso. When I'm so ama and not die wa brano tea jomo edia to just say, sir, and you may kosu yenya de say one more edris crane senti what kokobonsem e come Emrashebe funina say a free and necree and they say one more so sa and yamano so ne senti wow by wajin so de ubetu mudani de nyina wo Emrashebe fima unumedi enkoso obehwa say odo be my privilege committee na wono mo ene wo edise ne se na fenso efata na sempo se ne mai bro won so dia anhwa wakonwa wono mo ebeje e de free wonsem.
Before usually I commence proceedings, I always take a count of those present. I'm not happy with the situation. I did indicate from the very beginning of this meeting that I have the records of attendance for the first meeting and the second meeting. I decided for good reason not to publish them, but to give you the last opportunity. It looks like that is a catastrophic mistake I made. I should have brought it out and referred members to the Privileges Committee